Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to control the movement of the Tosima W5 window cleaning robot. So the first thing that we're going to do is just install our robot on the window and then make sure that it's on. And then we're going to pull out the remote that comes with the robot, and these 4 buttons, so up, down, left, right, they control the movement. So if you press up, the robot will start going up until the edge of the window, and the same thing with all of these other buttons. So it's going to go in the direction of the button that you pressed up until it hits the border of the window. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.